Shwmae! At Learn Welsh Cardiff, we teach courses for those who are beginners, right up to fluent Welsh speakers who would like to practice their Welsh. The course books we use have been developed by the dedicated and very experienced team at the National Centre for Learning Welsh. In this short film, we will show you what you will learn on the entry level. This level is for beginners. Let's take a look. The first part of the course covers the present tense. You will learn how to talk about yourself and ask others about themselves, using topics such as starting a conversation, everyday activities, and your likes and dislikes. The next thing you will cover will be expressing a desire, and you'll learn the colours. And in the following units, you'll be taught how to discuss where you're from and where you're going. You'll then move on to talking about what you did in the past, over the weekend for example, discussing the weather, and asking and answering questions about other people and things. The course then further explores the past tense, and you will learn how to say I went and I had. You'll also learn to say what other people did and about things you used to do. Following that, you'll learn how to talk about money and time and words which help you ask questions, such as why. The last part of the course introduces the future tense and how to talk about yours and other people's possessions. You'll learn how to give instructions and be able to talk about things you must do. There's also an opportunity to practice phrases and situations which would be useful if you'd like to speak Welsh at work. One of the last units focuses on helping with exam preparation, if you choose to do an exam at the end of the course. You will also come across lots of new vocabulary throughout the course. This helps to strengthen and enrich your Welsh as you move forward, and you should try to learn the vocabulary before your lesson. There are lots of fun ways to do this online. As you can see, so much is covered in this course. The great news is that every few weeks there's a revision unit which revises what you have learned in previous units with your tutor. Also, at the end of every unit, there's homework which allows you to practice the new patterns you have learned. It's important to complete the homework to ensure that you understand what was introduced in the lesson, and it allows your tutor to monitor your progress and to give you a helping hand when needed. And there are lots of resources and online support for you at learnwelsh.cymru. Also, let's not forget that our dedicated team of tutors will be there to support you throughout. This video is part of a series which shows what is taught on every level. If you're a more experienced learner, why not take a look at our other short films? If you're unsure of your level, you're very welcome to give us a call and we can arrange a level assessment with one of our experienced tutors. Call us on 02920 874 710 or email info@learnwelsh.co.uk. Also, why not take a look at our website, learnwelsh.cymru/Cardiff-University, and find a course that suits you. Hwyl am y tro!